Introducing Optimum Car Wax, the next level spray wax trusted by enthusiasts and professionals alike. This revolutionary wax delivers unparalleled protection, shine, and convenience in a quick, simple to use, sprayable formula. It's formulated with high-grade Carnauba wax, sealant polymers, and UV inhibitors. The Optimum Car Wax creates a robust shield against harsh elements, and with just one application, your vehicle stays protected for up to 5 months. No tedious buffing required and no residue to remove. In just 15 minutes, you can apply Optimum Car Wax to your entire vehicle, leaving behind a smooth, flawless finish, free of swirl marks. Its non-abrasive formula ensures that your paint remains in showroom condition, while the advanced UV inhibitors protect against fading and sun damage. Now, unlike traditional waxes loaded with harsh chemicals, Optimum Car Wax is VOC-free and environmentally friendly, making it a safe choice for both you and the planet. That's peace of mind you can count on. Join the pros and enthusiasts worldwide that trust Optimum Car Wax to keep their vehicles looking their best. It's got superior protection, a brilliant shine, and effortless application all in one bottle. Spray, wipe, shine, that's Optimum Car Wax.